In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage marketing contacts and lists with HubSpot. Managing your contacts and marketing lists effectively is crucial for maintaining clear communication and enhancing your business operations. Today, we'll walk through some straightforward steps to get you comfortable with this process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar with it, just type hubspot.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to need to enter your email and password to access your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, it's simple to create one, but make sure you do that first so you can follow along with us. Now that you're logged in, this will take you to the HubSpot home interface, your dashboard. Here, you're going to see a variety of options and tools. You'll need to navigate to the CRM section next. Usually it's clearly marked and you can find it easily on your dashboard's main navigation menu. Just click on CRM as it's the hub where all your contact management activities are centralized. Within the CRM section, our focus is going to shift toward working specifically with lists. You'll see a section labeled Lists. Go ahead and click on it. This page is where all your existing lists are displayed. These lists can be a powerful way to organize your contacts based on various criteria, such as their engagement level or demographics. It's incredibly useful for ensuring you target the right audience with your campaigns. Once you're on the list page, you'll want to find the Create List button. This is generally above your displayed lists, making it pretty easy to spot. Click Create List and you'll be prompted to define the specifics of this new list. Here, you can set criteria based on contact properties, such as location, company type, or how they've interacted with previous marketing efforts. This step is crucial because setting the right criteria ensures your marketing materials reach precisely the people you want them to. Finally, complete the process by saving your list. Once saved, you can always revisit and make adjustments if needed. Use these lists to focus your marketing efforts, effectively increasing engagement with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated HubSpot to manage your marketing contacts and lists. As you continue using HubSpot, exploring more of its features will greatly enhance your business's marketing capabilities. Thanks for watching and happy list managing.